truck enthusiasts in the United States, the sight of a Scania on American roads is a rare spectacle that sparks curiosity and often leads to a common misconception that Scania trucks are illegal in the U.S. While Scania trucks are not technically illegal, they are not sold or commonly registered in the U.S. due to several regulatory, logistical, and market-specific reasons. One of the main barriers is a Swedish brand known for its powerful and fuel-efficient trucks has not historically engineered its vehicles to meet the stringent emission and safety standards required by U.S. regulations. The Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) and the Department of Transportation enforce complex guidelines that govern engine emissions, lighting systems, crashworthiness, and even mirror placements. Most European Scania's cutting-edge V8 RIGSR not initially designed with these rules in mind, making them non-compliant for direct sale and registration in the U.S. Another significant factor is the design preference that has long dominated the U.S. trucking industry. American roads are ruled by long-nosed conventional trucks, with brands like Freightliner, Kenworth, and Peterbilt producing hooded cabs that differ greatly from Scania's popular cabover flat-front style. Though cabover trucks were once more prevalent in the U.S., regulatory shifts allowing for longer overall vehicle lengths reduced the need for space-saving cabover designs. Scania's focus on lay outside aisle for Europe's tighter roads and urban centers has historically not aligned with the American market's aesthetic or functional demands. However, this is gradually changing as the global transport industry leans toward aerodynamic efficiency and modular design, areas where Scania excels. Despite these challenges, Scania's legendary performance is undeniable. Models like the Scania R7, powered by a monstrous 770 horsepower V8 engine, offer unmatched torque and fuel efficiency in long-haul applications. This raw power is packaged in a driver-focused cockpit with digital systems, air suspension, and class-leading comfort. In comparison to US-made trucks, Scania often scores higher in fuel economy, emissions control, and ergonomics, though it lacks the widespread parts availability and service infrastructure. That said, the U.S. does allow the import of foreign vehicles that are 25 years or older, bypassing the usual safety and emission standards under the classic car exemption. As a result, older trucks such as the iconic Scania 143 or 164 have become cult favorites among collectors and vintage haulers. Looking ahead, Scania could find a role in the U.S. market through niche adoption or strategic partnership. As global pressure mounts for cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable transportation, Scania's expertise in alternative fuels, electrification, and intelligent trucking systems could make it a disruptive force.